Hello, it's Jay here and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson we're going to do some updates. Since doing the special moves, there is some conflicts with the actual standard moves. So that is what we're going to work on in this video and probably the next as well. And I'm going to begin in the player 1 movement script. So in the void update, you can put this anywhere. I'm just going to put this down at the bottom. We're going to create an if statement, open and close brackets. Inside the brackets, we're going to say underscore player. And we'll use is kicking high, double equals true. And then we're going to do the 2 vertical bars, which means or. And we're going to do this for all the standard attacks, so kicking low. And we'll have punching left. And punching right. So let's just get that in place. We'll enter, we'll say if this is occurring, and in fact let's create the variable up here. I'll put it with the other static balls for the attacks. So static ball, and let's say player is standard attacking. We'll put that into the comments. Player is actively using standard attacks. So we'll come back down. Player is standing attacking equals true. Else we'll set that player is standing attacking equals false. So let's break this up for commenting. So all we're doing really is rolling these 4 variables into one, just to make things easy. And we'll start putting this into the comments. So if player high, I'll say is equal to true, or, and what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste that in and just change what needs to be changed. We don't need to say if every time. And kicking low. So let's just put punching left. And finally for punching right. We don't need the or on the last one, so let's get rid of that. We'll say then set the variable player is standard attacking to equal true. Again, let's just copy that and paste that in for the other line. This time we'll say else set to false. And we're just going to save that off, and we'll begin with the SP2 damage. In fact, let's have a look. So we'll open up the damage for the third special move. I'm just trying to right, the energy ball should not be causing any issues, but we'll come back to that one if we need to. So in the special move 2 damage script, we'll come to the on trigger enter. If open and close brackets, player 1 movement dot player is standard attacking double equals true. We're just going to return. Let's put this into the comments. If player is standing attacking is equal to true. You can put from the play 1 movement script if you think you need to. We'll come to the other line, we'll say then, and we'll put our normal return comment in, then do nothing and return. So let's just copy that and we'll paste that in the on trigger enter. Now it is important that these obviously go at the very top of the on trigger enter functions in order for them to work correctly. And we're going to leave it here for this video, and the reason is we've got to now just make some changes to the actual player high kick, low kick and the punching left and right scripts. Obviously we can do all that in one video, otherwise we'll get halfway through and have to stop. So we'll just stop now and we'll pick those up in a brand new lesson. So just a word of note, obviously these fixes aren't going to work until the following video at least, and we've got some more code changed and in place, so please just be patient. The next video will be out soon and we'll leave it here for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.